Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step Notion tutorial, so let's dive straight in. If you've been trying to connect your Microsoft Outlook calendar with Notion and keep everything in one place without constantly switching between apps, you're in the right spot. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to link and embed your Outlook calendar into Notion, making it super easy to view and manage your schedule, all in just a few simple steps. First things first, go ahead and open your Microsoft Outlook calendar. Using a web browser is usually the easiest and most reliable way to do this. We're starting here because this is where you'll find the sharing settings that allow apps like Notion to connect to your calendar. Once you're inside Outlook Calendar, look for the View option along the top menu. Click on it, then head over to Calendar Settings. If this is your first time in this section, no worries at all. This is where you can customize how your calendar works and control how it's shared, whether with other people or external platforms like Notion. Next, inside the settings, look for the Shared Calendars section. This is where you manage which calendars are visible to others and, more importantly, where you'll generate the link we need for Notion. In that section, find the option called Publish a Calendar. If you have multiple calendars in Microsoft Outlook, like a work calendar and a personal one, go ahead and select the one you want to connect to Notion. Make sure you pick the right calendar here, especially the one that contains the meetings and events you actually want to see inside your Notion workspace. When you hit the Publish button, it will automatically give you a link you can click on and copy if you're using it on your PC. If you're using your phone, you might need to select the text and then copy. Now, head over to Notion and open the page where you want your calendar to appear. This could be your dashboard, daily planner, or even a team workspace. Paste the link you copied from Microsoft Outlook into the page. At first, it'll show up as a normal link, but don't worry, that's expected. Notion will give you a few options right after you paste it. Go ahead and choose Embed Link. This will display your calendar directly on the page instead of just redirecting you. Once it loads, you'll see your Outlook calendar right there in a scrollable view with all your events and meetings easily accessible with just a quick scroll whenever you open your workspace. This setup makes planning a whole lot smoother since you don't have to jump between different apps or worry about missing anything important. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials to level up your productivity. Thanks for watching.